Imagine making money by just predicting if a currency is going to go up or going down. That is Forex. So Forex is about buying and selling of a currency against each other. So the Forex actually means foreign exchange currency, and it is buying and selling of a currency pair. And for example, now let's say we have Euro USD. Let's say we have Euro, and we have um US dollar. So in this case now, you know that we have two different currency here. We have Euro and we have US dollar. So the combination of these two pair is what we know as currency pair, because we pair both of them together. You cannot trade just one pair. You have to pair two currency together for it to participate in the forex market. And it is by buying and selling of a currency. So now let's say for example now, euro, if you anticipate that euro is going to go up, which means it's going to be more stronger than dollar. That means in that case you want to be looking to buy. And if you are anticipating that USD should be stronger than euro, in that case you want to be looking for sell opportunity. So that is what Forex is all about. And we have about 7.5 trillion dollar that is being traded in every single day in the forex market. So which means forex is the largest financial market in the whole world. It's even larger than the crypto market. So, and another thing is that you may not be wondering that, okay, who are those people that is trading that kind of money every single day in the forex markets? Who are the person? And that is what brings us to that is what brings us to the market participants. So we have government and central bank. So they are like the major player in the forex markets. We have government and central banks. Government is going to regulate the currency of their country. So we have government and central bank. We have commercial banks, like JP Morgan, CC Bank, Bank of America, UBS Bank, and many more. We have hedge funds, we have investors, we have retail trader, which is individual trader. That's we fall on. It doesn't matter the amount you are trading. Even if you are trading $1 million, you are still under this retail trader. So that is Forex. That is Forex, and that is just like the introduction to Forex and the participants that we have in the forex market. And another misconception about trading is that most people just conclude that forex is a gambling, which is not. Forex is not a gambling; it's a skill set, and you have to have a better understanding about it before you go into it. It can only be a gambling when you are just buying and selling randomly without any structure, any strategy, any plan. So it can be a gambling that way. So that's going to be all for this video here.